Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Library. Today we will be starting a special subject known as DBMS, which is taught in almost every engineering college in computer science and IT department. This subject is also important in competitive exams like GATE. So starting from the beginning, what does DBMS stand? DBMS stands for Database Management System. So what is a database now? Database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be accessed, managed, and updated easily. So, when it comes to database, we have seen it everywhere. It is used almost everywhere. Be it our college, it is used in college for keeping the record of students' names, department roll number, marks, whether they are in which semester, etc. It is also used in organizations where it is used to keep the employee details like name, address, phone number, email id, and salary, etc. Now coming to when DBMS actually originated. So history of DBMS. DBMS was designed by in 1960 by a computer engineer known as Charles Bachman. In 1970, IBM also introduced it, which is a special type of DBMS which is designed by COD. So we have used many softwares in our industries and our workplaces. Some of the common softwares of DBMS are MySQL, Oracle, and there are also others like Microsoft Access, MariaDB, FoxPro, etc. The most commonly used are MySQL and Oracle. Now coming to the applications of DBMS. DBMS is widely used in almost all the fields. Maybe it be in our college where it is used to keep the records of the books which students are taking, the due date, and a fine which they have been paying, and all the records. It is also used in banking sectors for keeping record of the account number of the person, the amount which they are paying to someone, the address, their phone number, email id, and all the transactions. It is also used in railway reservation system for keeping the name of the passengers who are traveling, their age, phone number, where they are traveling, their payment, and last history, travel history, and all the information. It is also used in telecommunication sector, which contains the person details to whom they are calling, and their phone balance, and everything, all the details where they have last last person with whom they have contacted, and all the details. It is similarly used in manufacturing for keeping the record of the amount of sales and other purchases they have made, amount of units they have purchased from someone, and all the expenses which happen in manufacturing. It is also used in similarly in finance, education sector, and social media websites. Here below we can find the details of all the sectors in which it is used, and also detailed use of it. You can download the PDF for more details and study from it, and we will also be back on the new video where the next tutorials will be there on DBMS. So please subscribe our channel, and for more such helpful videos, like it, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.